area of jaw, scalp, head and face area. Then we have to upper geo area. So after upper geo, there is the middle geo. The middle geo area extend from 1 centimeter, 1 chun anterior of DU21 to 0.5 chun posterior of DU21. It is bounded on the side of the foot Taeyang bladder channel. It represents the middle Werner with DU21 corresponding to the umbilicals. So from it is yesterday I told you this is DU24, 23, 22. Then from here after 1 June, here is the point. This point is approximately here. Okay. It is DU21. It is DU21. So after half June, if I put like this, then this is the line of 2. Sorry. This is the area of middle geo. Okay. This is the area of middle geo. I mark it with the red color. One minute. Like this. This area is middle geo. Location of this area starting from 1 June anterior to DU21 and half June posterior to DU21. So it is 1.5 cone. It also 1.5 cone area. Okay. So this area functions harmonize stomach, descends rebellious Q, soothing liver, regulates chi, benefits gallbladder, clear intestine. Then for indications of middle geo, for disease and symptoms of the liver, gallbladder, spleen, stomach, pancreas, and intestine, such as stomach pain, hypochondriac pain, bleaching, vomiting, diarrhea, anger, agitations, constipation, jaundice, bile test, and fatigue. All disease treated by this area. Okay. So now about needling. For needling session, we insert needle like from corner of this area like this, as you put yesterday. Then from posterior side. Like this. And from middle like this. Now, if you want to treat the upper G also, then you put needle like this. From first needle like this. Like this. Okay, like this. Then another needles you put crossing with this line on center. In this way, you can use the needles and stimulate like this. Use for treating the disease of lower burner, sorry, for disease and symptoms of the liver, gallbladder, spleen, stomach, pancreas, and intestine, such as stomach pain, hypochondriac pain, bleaching, vomiting, diarrhea, anger, agitations, constipation, jaundice, bitter taste, and tongue. Above the umbilicals, above the umbilicals, and below the sternum head, all the organs and all the disease treated with this middle ear area. Okay. Now, Dr. Anita, please unmute everyone for 2 minutes.
Okay, sir.
If anyone have any question, then they can ask.
Okay, sir. Okay, you can unmute yourself and
Prof,
ask questions.
Prof, if we're measuring it by centimeter, how do we measure it?
1.5 June is equal to 4 centimeter. 1.5 Kun equal to 4 centimeter.
Thank you, sir. Very clear.
Okay. Okay. Any other question from anyone?
Hello, Prof.
Yes.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon.
You said this a particular area you teach us today, you can also work for bleeding or bleaching. Bleeding. I don't know, maybe I don't understand you were bleeding. Someone is bleeding.
No. Bleaching. Diarrhea
Okay.
type. When anyone have bloatings, not bleeding. For disease and symptoms of the liver, gallbladder, spleen, stomach, pancreas, and intestine, such as stomach ache, hypochondriac pain, bleaching, vomiting sensations, diarrhea, anger, agitations, constipation, jaundice, bitter taste, and fatigue. It is bleaching when after eating food there is a vomiting sensation. That is called bleaching.
He's talking about belching. You just belch. You know, for some people, before they experience stroke, notice they belch. You're just belching and
Okay.
belching is what he's referring to.
Belching or as well as bloating before belching, I think.
Yes.
Yes.
Belching.
Belching.
Belching. Okay. Read it, belching. Okay. Okay.
Good evening, Prof.
Yeah, good evening.
These needles are expected to stay how long during the treatment?
45 minutes.
And you keep on stimulating it?
Yes. After
Okay.
every 10 minutes, you can stimulate these needles.
Sorry, thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, sir, and well done.
Okay.
My question here, posteriorly, how many needles, and anteriorly, how many needles?
It depends on areas. If I put these needles for
Yes,
area
sir.
of upper geo.
Yes, sir.
Okay. These
Yes,
needles
sir.
for upper geo. Now,
Okay,
if
sir.
you putting only 2 lines like this, then if you are treating total area, then 10 needles is enough. If you want more needles, then put needles posteriorly to lateral to medial side. Okay. And when you go for the area, it covers all the cranial nerves. Okay. So now we are going for next lower geo area. Okay. So Dr.
Thank
Anita,
you,
please
sir.
mute everyone.
Okay, Prof.
Okay. After this area, we have a area of which area? Lower geo area. Lower geo area start from DU21. So it is DU21 and the area start from here. Okay. So, and goes one tune posteriorly. So it is one tune and it comes here. Okay. And I put all the green area in this area. So this area overlaps half tune area of middle geo. Okay. Half tune area from middle geo. And half tune lateral is purely lower geo. Okay. So one tune posteriorly, a part of it overlap with the middle geo area. It is bounded on the both side with the foot triangular channel. Okay. Then functions of this area: tonifies kidney and liver, regulates menstruations, promote urination, ascends yang qi, restings, unblocks channel, alleviates pain. Then functions for this area: for disorder of the lower burner, including the urinary systems, reproductive system, and endocrine systems. Examples are lower abdominal pain, urinary problems, irregular menstruations, infertility, dysmenorrhea, leukorrhea, vertigo, low back pain, tinnitus, deafness, impotence. Okay. So all this area used for all these problem. Which area? Lower geo. It is one cone area, one cone area, and called lower geo. Okay. So this area is lower geo. Okay. This area is middle geo. Before the middle geo is totally from here till here. This area overlap the middle geo area. Okay. Okay, now you have to put needles. So from posterior to anterior. I remove hashtag. So now we are going for needling session on the lower geo from DU21 to DU towards DU20. Okay. Then lateral side. Three needles on one center in one needle in center, two in lateral from here. Then three needles from posterior to anterior. Okay. In this way, you have to put needles. This area. You have to stimulate. Okay. It is the area of lower geo. For covering middle area, you can put needles lateral to medial like this. You can cover the total area from all directions. But almost we use only this way. Facing needle technique. It is called facing needle technique because one needles face towards the second needles. So if anyone is not understand, then please tell Dr. Anita, please unmute to everyone.
Okay, sir.
Anyone have any question, then please ask, unmute yourself and ask.
You can unmute yourself, please, and ask your questions.
Hello, Prof. Good evening.
Yeah,
Please,
good
my
evening.
question, you said that we are going to start from GU21.
Yes.
What is the
And go.
distance between the one?
We start with DU20, one towards DU20. One chun area.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Total
sir.
length of this area is one chun.
Okay.
You called one kun. Okay.
Okay. Yes, sir. It's okay, sir.
And start
Thank you, sir.
from DU20 area.
It's okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Any other question? If you are not
Hello, Prof.
understand, then please ask.
Hello, Prof.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I can see you need to outside the lower jaw.
Yes.
Yes, you need to above those four five needles. Are they part of
Yes, yes. This
those
needle.
ones? The last one up. Those ones. Where I can't
Yes.
see where the needle enters.
Okay. The lines you are not seeing.
Okay.
Okay. On this line, you put needles like.
Yeah. Okay, I can see that. I can see those ones.
Okay.
Okay.
And one
Okay.
from both side, and you to activate this area, you have to stimulate like this.
Okay.
It is better
Okay.
if you are using half tune needles.
They are long needles. Okay. So I can see
Yeah,
now.
yeah, yeah. Because I never use in my practice. I rarely use half tune. Almost I use one tune.
Okay.
So do
Thank
like
you,
this
sir.
stimulation. Okay. And you can insert full needles, no problem. If you want to insert full needles, then you can use needles, no problem. Okay. When you enter full needles, then it more areas.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Any other have any question? Any other have any question?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
I found out that you use all 12 needles, if I'm not mistaken,
Yes, yes.
from the
I
illustration
use
there.
10 needles.
So,
I use 10 needles.
but by the side,
Yes.
bilaterally, there is
Yes, yes.
one needle on this side and the other side. I think that makes it 12.
Yes, yes.
So, and you have listed all the diseases. So this covers all the diseases you've enumerated.
You can stimulate, you can this area fully stimulate if you want to fully stimulate this area with only 5 needles, then you can use only 5 needles, no problem. Insert full length needles.
Okay, sir.
25 into 25 needles, insert fully towards any side. If you are using this needle for back pain, okay, then DU21 to DU20, this needle is very good needle and it have a very good results.
To DU20 what,
DU21
sir?
to DU21 towards DU20. Put 2 needles
Okay, sir.
to cover the full area. Like this.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Hello, Prof.
yes,
The when needing the total area, we do it laterally. One on this side, one on the other side. Can we
yes, yes,
needle the whole area using those 2 needles and those 10 needles at the same time?
yes, yes.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
No.
Okay, Prof. Dr. Mariam is asking in the chat box if the electronic stimulating machine can be used.
If they want to use laterally, then in this way they can use. Okay, no problem.
Okay, sir.
But when they are using anterior or posterior needles, then there is no need of for this area. There is no need of, because this area is very small area, one cone area. From you are putting 2 needles, one from posterior and one from anterior. When where the area is starting from DU21 and another posterior to DU21, one tune. Then you put 2 needles and stimulate this area, then it is enough. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Then for next, we go for next, or any other have any question? Any other have any other question? So if there is no question, then
Prof,
please.
hello, sir.
Yes.
The measurement, did you say it gets to do 20? Is it exactly
DU21.
to
Yeah.
do 20? Does it get exactly to the line of do 20?
Yes, yes.
All right.
DU21 towards 21 tune area. The area starts from DU21 and goes posterior to DU21, 1 tune.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, can the 4, let me say 3 zones be needed at the same time? Upper, middle, and lower zone. Be
Yes,
needed
yes, yes. Yes, yes. If you want to treat like this, then I am telling you, okay, this is the area because I have few needles, so I inserting like this. Okay, then it is going for middle geo. Okay, like this. You are going to middle geo. Okay, then from here you are going for upper geo. Like this. For upper geo. Okay, then from front side you're putting needles for upper geo. Like this. Then you put needles on this area like this, because it is going towards middle geo. Okay. Like this. You can use all the needles. It is clear to you? Like this.
Clear. But
Okay.
can all this now stay for that 45 minutes?
Yes, yes. You can use all the needles. And for front side disease, you use this area. Totally. For front side disease. Okay. After DU21, we start back side. It is front side. Okay. Now it is clear to everyone.
Yes, it's clear. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So, if any other question from for this area, there is no question, then I remove the needles. So next area is, we are going for head and vertex area. So head and vertex area, centering at DU20. Where is head and vertex area? Center it is DU20. And one, it is DU20. It is centered. Then how much area? 1 cone. So half cone it is posterior and half anterior. So this is the area of DU20. And lateral to midline, half cone, and middle to half cone. This area is used for head and vertex area. Half cone from all the sides. This area is half cone from all the sides. Okay. And center is, this area is DU20. Okay. DU20 represents stimulously the vertex of the head DU20, the perineum DU21, and center of the foot K1. Okay. So function of this area, pacifies liver and sinks liver yang, rise yang qi and stop prolapse, unblocks channel, elevates pain. Then indications of this area, vertex headache, dizziness or vertigo, coma, syncope, hypertension, hypotension, anal prolapse, hernia, prostate hypertrophy, pain in sacrum, coccyx or perineum area, ankle pain, foot pain or numbness. All this area use. If you find all these pains, then you can use this area. In all above disease, you can use this area. Okay. The indications for this area: vertex, headache, dizziness, vertigo, coma, syncope, hypertension, hypotension, anal prolapse, hernia, prostate hypertrophy, pain in the sacrum, coccyx or perineum, ankle pain, foot pain or numbness. Then for plantar fasciitis, plantar pain of foot, you can use this area. Then for hip pain, you can use this area. Upper limb, in which system you read? Upper 1/5 area. Do you remember upper 1/5 area? In which system you read? Geo, Sunfa. Geo Sunfa system, there is upper geo, upper 1/5 area. That is the area of DU20, nearby this area. So, how you put needles on this area? If there is foot pain, then you put needles like this from center for both sides. Sorry. From center to both sides, you make V. Then for head and vertex area, you have to put needles like this. Like this. Second thing, if you remember the area of foot motor sensory area, then this is the area of foot motor sensory area. Approximately 1 centimeter lateral to this area, and from this area, you start from here, foot motor sensory area. So this area is very useful because of location of all the internal parts of brain, like pituitary gland, amygdala, hippocampus, hypothalamus, corpus callosum. All the areas are here in neurological science. So this area is very, very useful for all type of disease. Okay. Now, if anyone have any other question, then please ask Dr. Anita. Unmute to everyone.
Okay, sir. So for hypertension, how do you
Yes.
needle it?
For hypertension, you can put needles from posterior to like this, and then this. Make all the needles towards the center from all directions.
Okay, Prof. Thank you,
You
sir.
can make a lotus here like this.
Okay.
Prof, please, is it the same pattern with hypotension too?
Yes, yes. But I told you one another point for hypertension. Ear apex bleeding
How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
and ST44 bleeding. ST44, ST44 and ear apex bleeding have very good results when the high BP is not controlled in any way. Then you prick the area of ear apex and ST44 area. It gave very good results. Okay.
Hello, Prof.
Okay, Prof.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, Prof.
Yes.
Yeah, the need altogether, are they 8?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Hello, good evening, Prof.
Yeah. Good evening. Good evening, Dr. Ismail.
Yes, Prof. Actually, I really enjoy this acupuncture system
Yes.
of Scalp acupuncture.
Okay.
Actually, according to the introduction, it's like Scalp acupuncture has studied all the classes of scalp acupuncture and combined them into one aspect of, aspect of a system that
Yes.
combines all the classes. And I believe by consolidating this particular approach, it gives maximum results.
Yes. Yes.
Because this process now you are trying to put us on, especially at this DU20, using the needle diagonally, you understand, mode of
Yes.
needling is quite different from all this type of acupuncture we have been seeing so far. And we appreciate you, and it's only God that will reward you. You understand? So my own question here is, Prof, how can we address issue that has to do with Parkinson's disease and tremor? You understand? With this particular approach, because I know you discuss the head area that is close to the upper GIO, the middle GIO, and the lower GIO. Are we going to
Yes. Yes.
concentrate on the upper GIO to regulate the tremor that has to do with Parkinson? Or shall we come to this lower GIO? Maybe it depends on the nature, because most of the tremor always come at the upper limb. So
Yeah.
I would like to hear from you. Thank you, sir.
There are Dr. Ismail.
Yes, sir.
Since we have done first area, head and face area, then second upper geo, then middle geo, then lower geo, then head and vertex. After that, we have the areas: cervical area, then thoracic, then lumbar area, then sacral area, then coccygeal area. After that, I am telling you, after that, on the area of DU20, there is the area of shoulder area, then hip area, then lower body, then upper body, lower body, middle body, and upper body. Again, we have to cross lines like this on this area. If you are putting needles like this, then it treat the area of hip area. Okay. Then when you are putting like this here and you treating this area, then it is treating upper area, upper geo area. Only hands and all. For lower limb. It is lower, then it is upper limb. Nearby DU22. It is upper limb. So just we started it. When this system is completed, then you have all the protocols with the all disease. And almost you know the middle area is very responsible for Parkinson and all disease, because there are all internal parts of brain, thalamus, hypothalamus, basal ganglia, and pituitary gland, then amygdala, all these, then corpus callosum, all these areas are in the center area. So this center area is very important.
The DU20 area.
Yeah, starting from DU21, from DU21 to DU20, then goes till 19.
Okay.
This area is very important area. Then for
Sorry,
body
Prof.
movements, there is, I told you with the brain. 1 minute. You see this area?
Yes, Prof.
Okay. So you see little colors here, because I'm not know why it is fly out. Okay. So this is the which area you see. This area called what? This area is called premotor or post central. So it is called motor area and it is called sensory area. This is frontal cortex area. Okay. Then this gyrus you see, highest part, this part is called superior gyrus of frontal lobe. It is responsible for all type of body movements. Then it is middle gyrus. It is also involved in all the sensory and voluntary movements and management of the things, managing the things. Then it is lower, superior, middle, and inferior. Okay, gyrus. So these three gyrus control all the body movements and plannings and all things make in this area. So on both sides, when you are going for bladder channel, then bladder channel going almost from here. Okay. Then you see the parts in between this area. Then I show you. You see. Here is the corpus callosum. This area, corpus callosum. Then pituitary and all in this area. Then ventricles in this area. You see this prominence. Okay. So here is the fourth ventricles. Then midbrain, pons, medulla oblongata. This area. It is the area of fourth ventricle. It is lateral ventricles. Then to open, if I open it, then you can see the cavities. Now you see. It is lateral ventricles. And here is the pituitary gland. Thalamus, hypothalamus, and all. Okay. So it is laying down in this area. Like this. So all the areas beneath this area, you see. This is center. And when you go here, then all the areas, important areas are here. Those are controlling body movements. Okay. Any other question from anyone?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Thank you so much for the lecture. But one observation I saw was within the DU 20 area where you did the needling. There are
Yes.
two needles you needle perpendicularly. I don't know. I want more clarification on that.
We cover this area from all sides.
Yes.
Okay.
But towards the middle, you needle two needles perpendicularly. And that is where I want more clarification.
No perpendicular. All the needles are in lotus area. You can call it lotus.
Okay.
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 Sure. All the needles are in same direction. See?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Hello, Prof.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. At the center there, that's DU 20.
Yes, yes.
You
The center is
put
DU20.
you put two needles in V shape before. You remove
Yes,
it now. Those two, what are they for?
yes, yes, yes. These two. I put two needles here on center.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, like this.
Yes.
Then these for foot area pain.
Okay.
Okay. For foot area. Okay.
All right. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Like this. Foot area.
Okay. Foot area pain. Thank you.
Yes. Okay. So good night to everyone. Okay.
Thank you
Good
so
night
much.
to everyone.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir. Good
Good
night,
night.
We
sir.
appreciate.
Thank you
Good
so
night.
much, Prof.
Good night.
Good night. Good night to everyone. Good night.
Yeah, good